Okay, legends, I'm just going to do a quick video mainly for gold and why I think it's going a lot lower, and I'm basing on a pattern I saw in the dollar index. So this is a pattern I spoke about, you know, when dollar was down here. It's a basic concept where it breaks out of the range then comes back in. Okay, so if I draw that across, you know, at the time this was the range, we broke out of it. Any deviation out of it, we could have seen that as okay, a breakout, but once it got back in, then that deviation was seen as a stop run, fake, and then once it got back below it, we know most likely it's going to end up taking the other side of the range. Okay, now keep that basic concept in mind and let's see what's happening in gold. So go to the gold monthly, right? So if we look at the monthly, right, see this leg here, we've got this is the low point, right? The lowest point reached from the high there. This was the lowest point, and then it rallied up. So we are trading within that range at the moment. Okay, that's the range we're trading at. So if I get the fibs quite accurate, 1046.23, and the high is 1375.02. Okay, now 50% of that range is 1210.63. So I'm doing a different color so it stands out. Okay, right, now let's go down to the lower time frames. Now let's go to the daily. Now this is why this level we're at now is critical. So around here, 1293-ish level, around here, right? This level here, and let's see what we notice about this level here. See, between this level, so this is 50% on the range, so it's naturally acting as a magnet. Even before that range was formed, look how that level was a magnet. The reaction and how every time it deviated, it came back to that level here, 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 and you can see. So it's a natural magnet because it's just 50% of the range. Basic concept. Okay. When it got above that, look where the range was between that level here, around 1292.50s, 1293 basically here. When it got back up, when it broke out of it, it came back below it. Yes, we had a little fake out move, but then it came back down to it. Once we got back above it, this was the magnet, traded within that range, broke out of it, but now we're breaking back below it. So a clean move back below it would mean to me we're going back down to here. We don't necessarily have to, but that's where I think it's heading. Couple that with what's going on with the dollar, it's pushing up. You know, dollar's pushing up across the board. It would make more sense right now for that to happen. So how would I enter this? Okay, I'll wait for confirmation. So a smaller time frame pattern I'd play was basically this consolidation here, a little move up. As soon as it break back down, we know that was fake out. So selling the underside of it. So what do I wait for? Same pattern is unfolding here. Everybody got bullish. This was breaking back down. Now I want to see a nice cleaner break down, and then however you want to play it. Now at this point, it shouldn't break this. In my opinion, it should not break this. Okay, and I mean, I don't necessarily have to target this low, but automatically I'm on bearish alert anyway, so I can start targeting each swing low or however you want to play it. So that's my view on the gold market.